Hello everyone! Today we will explore a humanistic Zen story and delve into the profound lessons it offers. Let's dive into the journey of a curious boy named Finn and the valuable lessons from this story.
Long ago, in a small village, there was a boy named Finn. Finn was a very lively child and always curious about the world around him. One day, Finn heard about a wise Zen master at the top of the highest mountain in the village. Determined to learn from the master, Finn began to climb the mountain. After a tiring journey, the boy found the Zen temple, where the master lived. With eager eyes and a heart full of hope, Finn approached the master and asked,
"Master, how can I find enlightenment?"
The master, a gentle old man with twinkling eyes, smiled at Finn's enthusiasm.
10 years.
He replied calmly. Finn's determination only grew stronger.
But if I try harder, Master, can I find enlightenment sooner?
Boy asked. The master paused for a moment before answering.
20 years.
Finn was puzzled but not discouraged.
Master, if I devote myself entirely to practice, how long would it take?
Then, with a wise nod, the master replied,
30 years.
Finn's spirit sank, and he couldn't help but express his confusion.
Master, I don't understand. The more I promise to work hard, the longer the goal seems to become distant. Why is that?
The master looked at Finn with a serene smile.
When you focus only on the goal, you have only one eye on your path.
He explained gently. Finn pondered the master's words for a moment, realizing the hidden wisdom within them. Finn understood that focusing solely on the end result wouldn't lead him to true understanding. Instead, Finn needed to embrace the journey with all its challenges and joys.
From Finn and the Zen Master's story, we learn that it's not just about the end goal, but also about the journey to reach that goal. When we solely focus on the end goal and overlook the journey, we may miss out on valuable experiences and lessons in life. By focusing on the journey, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, learn from failures, and appreciate every step forward on our path. Ultimately, maturity and true understanding come not only from the end goal, but also from the journey we've been through.
We hope that the story of Finn and the Zen Master has provided you with valuable lessons about focusing on the journey and appreciating every step forward on your path. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next videos. We look forward to seeing you again in the next videos. Wishing you a happy and meaningful day.